friends, welcome back to my channel Rosy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we will learn how to make a Rakhi. You can make this at your home. This one is really very easy for beginners also. First take a photo. Here I took 4 cm circular photo. You can alter the size and shape as per your choice. For the base, I took a glittery golden cardstock. Paste the photo on it. This is a stone chain. You can easily get them from local market. Paste them carefully as shown here. Now take a ball chain and paste like this. Here I use a plain foam sheet for the final base. You can use any thread or ribbon. Now follow the instructions and leave it for 10 minutes. Now cut off the extra parts and use a brush to mix them properly. And now your Rakhi is ready. Stay tuned for more such ideas. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.